afternoon.
Good afternoon, Valencia Nora from Mr. Hermus' office here. Who am I speaking with?
My name is Nesteri Wong. I'm the junior assistant of Mr. Hermus' lawyer, Mr. Budi. Could you possibly pass me to him, please?
Okay, please hold for a moment. I'll pass the call to him.
Mr. Hermus speaking.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm calling from Mr. Budi office. He said that there is an urgent email from him regarding our latest project.
Okay, I will look into it as soon as I can. Is there anything else?
He also said that he will call you as soon as possible to talk more detail about this. That's all, sir.
Alright, thank you for the information.
My pleasure, sir. Have a good day.
Please check the emergency email from Mr. Budi.
Okay, I'll check the email and let you know.
And please make a schedule for the meeting with Mr. Budi and your assistant junior, Nesteri Wong.
Okay, sir. I'll schedule a meeting with Mr. Budi.
Good morning, may I talk to Miss Selfie, please?
Yes, who is speaking?
I am Ayumi. I am a new client and I will make a business appointment with him.
Yes, this is Selfie. How is it going? Is everything right, Miss Ayumi?
I'm fine and everything is under control. Will do you have any freedom, Miss Selfie?
Yeah, sure. After lunch at 1 p.m. How that?
That's perfect. We will meet at the Starbucks. I think that you know the place, don't you?
Yes, I know it well.
Alright, see you there.
See you around, Miss Ayumi.
Hi Claire, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. You what's up?
My mother is going to make pasta tomorrow night, and I was wondering if you would like to have dinner with us at my place tomorrow.
That works. The great pasty sounds Nick. What time do you want to come?
Just come by at my place or 7 p. I'll be waiting for you.
Alright, see you.
morning, Gamma Corporation. Can I help you?
Good morning. May I speak to Mr. Fahrul Asghaf, please?
Who is speaking, please?
This is Mary Sirgas of Horacinda Oil Company.
I beg your pardon, miss. Could you spell your first name, please?
My name is Mary.
Thank you, Miss Mary. Just a moment, please.
Alright.
I'm sorry, miss. Mr. Asghaf in a meeting with the board news.
That's okay. He is the head board. Can I leave a message?
With pleasure, miss.
Please tell him to call me back at 1 p.m. today.
Right, miss. Could I have your phone number, please?
Sure. 09174104496. Have you got that?
Yes, miss. 08174104496. Anything else, miss?
Is Mr. Rahmat his assistant in?
I'm sorry, miss. He is attending a seminar in Agaf Hotel. Could I take your message first?
Please tell him that I will come to see him at 9 tomorrow morning.
Right, miss. I will give you a message.
Okay, thank you for your help. Goodbye.
You are welcome.